Hi, it's SA. Good morning. Today we will talk about import CAD file in Revit. We have first to remove any hatch, text, dimension, to fix any error in the file. To do that, we have to open the CAD file and go to Properties by press Ctrl 1 or Properties. Then go to Quick Select. We can now select hatch or dimension or anything. We can select to entry drawing. Select what we want to remove. We have to select first hatch. Then at operator below we can select all and press OK. It will select all hatch on the drawing and we can delete it. Second, we have to select text and select all and we can remove that. Then we have to select any text and remove it. If we have dimension, we can select we don't have dimension here. We can make some dimension to remove it. If we now go to quick select and in entry drawing, we can select rotated dimension, select all. It will select all dimension in our drawing. We can remove it. We can also remove we can select all blocks and remove it like this. But I prefer to leave all doors and windows and plumbing fixture. We can remove furniture by select it like this. We can also select all this to remove, but I prefer to leave it. We can also remove this stairs counter. Any unnecessary indication you have to remove it. It will be better in the Revit. So we have now to make purge by press PU on Autocad and select purge to all, purge all, purge all, yes to all. It's now okay. We can make audit by write audit to fix any error in the drawing. We can now select yes, enter. It's now okay. The final thing to export this file is to make all the drawing on 0 point. We can know the 0 point by make a line on AutoCAD by press L. Then we have to select insert point 0, comma 0. Okay, and now this point is from 0, and I will select second point here. I can select all the drawing and make it move from this point and going to 0 point like this. Now my drawing, all my drawing is now starting from 0 from here. Okay, I can save it now, and to check that all elements on this drawing is 2D, not 3D. I will check it by going to any view from here. This drawing is now from top. I will check it from any elevation, like left. All elements on this drawing now on 0. If I select all, if I found element not on 0, it will be like on a positive point here or negative point here. I have to force it to be on 0 by select it and make its y at 0. Its start and its end. This on elevation only, but on top it will be not like this. If I select any element here like this, I have now 0 at start Z and end Z. It's okay. Okay, now I can save and exit from CAD and go into Revit. I will open my project. Now I can remove all elements from it, and if I want to import CAD, I have 3 options. First, to go to insert and link CAD. Second is go to import CAD from here. But I prefer to go to the third option by going to manage links from here and go to CAD formats and add from here. Now you can select the file which you want to add. You have first to go to option below. You can select the color to be inverted by press invert from here. It will invert color, or make it preserve, or make it black and white, and I prefer to make black and white. Next we have to select the position to put it on our project. I prefer to select center to center. Next we have to select layers. It's prefer to be all. Next we have to place it at I will place it at ground floor. Next we have to select the import units. One unit at Autocad on my drawing mean 1 meter. I will make the unit 1 meter. Next we have to select the orient to view and correct lines that are slightly off axis and press open. And now we have the drawing here. Like this. Okay, we can go to VB, visibility and graphics, and go to imported categories. We have now the drawing. We can make it half tone from here, and it will be like this. If I want to change its color, I will go to visibility and graphics by press VV, imported categories, and I can now go to lines from here. I have to select all layers and now change its color from here. I can make any color like this. It will be like this. And if I remove the half tone from here, it will be like this. Okay, now move it to selected place and go to import categories to make it half tone like this. Now I have the ground floor place, when I finish, I can select the drawing and pin it. Now if I want to select pinned item, I have go to down here and select pinned item from here, select pinned element, and now I can select the pinned element and make it unpin. And now I can remove this tool and I can move it as I want. So I hope it's easy and simple, and see you next video.